Hi, my name is Janet Walker and I want to welcome you to my show, Taste and See. Now before I start to tell you about this salad dressing, I want to say a little bit about my show. I would like to do my show on a regular basis, which will probably be about once a month. And I would like to invite you to tell me if you would like to know about the show. I'm going to put out an email, which is this email right now. It's tasteandc@rwalker.us. This email, if you will send it to me, I will put you on an email distribution list, and then you will just get the show, because I'm not putting it on Facebook. We'll put it on Facebook a little bit, but basically we're just putting it out at this email distribution way. Okay, so today we're actually at the home of the McKinleys in the Piney Woods of East Texas. I didn't really know if I wanted to keep doing this show. And I thought, Lord, if you want me to do this show, somebody will call me and ask me. And lo and behold, the phone rang, and it was Malcolm McKinley and said, would you like to come to Lufkin and do this show? And I thought, okay, I'll come to Lufkin. So Vergie McKinley, here, Vergie, this is Vergie. Vergie is going to be my assistant today. She is the one that introduced me to this salad dressing. Now, this salad dressing is so good, you have to make it. If you are doing bottle dressings, you need to take those and you need to throw them in the trash, because this salad dressing has got everything you want in it for your health, for your taste buds, for your guests, for a memory on your salad. It has avocado, it has oil, it has basil, garlic, artichoke hearts, Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper. Okay, and something else. I can't think of what it is. But it is delicious. And you don't even have to put radishes and carrots and cucumbers and green onion in your salad. You can just put a bowl of romaine, and then you just take this salad dressing, which is very dense, and you just put it in the middle. And so when you go to eat, you just stir it all up and everybody eats it. It is outstanding. It is at the White House level. So if you've ever wanted to eat lunch at the White House, you don't need to. You can just eat this salad and you will be at the White House. Okay? Okay, so Vergie, I'm going to have Vergie right now. I'm going to have her mince the garlic. And I do want to let you know it's tarragon vinegar. Now, you might say, I don't know where tarragon vinegar is, and if I buy it, I won't use it. You will use it because you will make this salad dressing over and over again. And I cannot emphasize enough how good this is. She gave it to me several years ago, and in the back of my mind all these years has been that salad dressing, thinking, wow, that's a good salad dressing. I had given you that other one, which was the olive oil and vinegar with the garlic and lemon, and that is a simpler version of an extremely good salad dressing. This one is almost the salad included. So it's a dressing and it's the salad. Okay, so garlic, then we're going to go ahead and put in the olive oil and vinegar. 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. That's how we do our own salad dressings. Now you can do avocado oil, or you can do olive oil. And Vergie really likes to do avocado oil. So we're going to put olive oil in it, and we're going to put our tarragon vinegar right here. And
so I'm doing 3 tablespoons of avocado oil.
We are going to make a half portion right now today, and then you can see the recipe when you
you can make whatever.
Yeah, you can make whatever, but we're just going to do a half portion. So
tarragon vinegar.
Okay. Oh, that's the one. Okay. Now, fresh basil is what you want to do. Mm-hmm. We don't have any fresh, so we're just doing some basil that looks like, Vergie, you had it fresh, and then you...
A friend of mine, her plant was prolific, and she gave me, and I dried it.
Okay.
I dehydrated it in the dehydrator.
Okay.
So we just
crush it. Okay.
Crush it up.
Okay. Why don't you do that and put that as much in as you want?
Okay.
And the Parmesan, I just want to let you know that the flaked is better than the grated.
Yes.
And I know we all love to grate our own Parmesan and not just buy the store-bought stuff. So I want to recommend that. I also want to recommend the salt that Vergie uses. She doesn't typically use just regular table salt you get in the store. She likes to use this salt that she says it's called it's like a Celtic
Celtic
salt.
Celtic sea salt. It has more minerals in it table salt only has like 2 minerals.
Mm-hmm.
This has like 29 of the 30 that we need,
Yeah.
something like that.
Never
It's-
knew that, but Vergie told me about
Yeah.
it. So, okay, so now we're going to put the salt and pepper in. And here's the pepper. Okay. This will not work in a blender. Do not blend this because it will just be one big massive lump. You need all of the chunks to make this work. I just love it because it's got so much omega-3s, and they're telling us it's going to make us smart and keep us smart, and we don't want to lose our brains and stuff. So this is, and then we're going to cut up our avocado. This has got the omega-3s from the avocado and the olive oil. And I have had this in my refrigerator for days. This isn't something I made, and I just had to use it that night. How long have you kept it in your fridge after you've made it?
It didn't last very long around our house, but
Okay, because you eat it.
yeah.
Okay, well, I've just got my husband and I, so we just didn't eat it that fast. And I felt like several days I still had it in the refrigerator, and we were using it. It was delicious. I'm sure it's probably the avocado and the oil and everything that keeps it, and the vinegar that keeps it good. So I can't say keep it for 3 weeks, but you can keep it around for a while. And then we're going to put and if this is a small avocado Vergie's putting in,
Yep.
we wouldn't put, since we're doing a half portion, I wouldn't put a large one in. Okay, and then we're going to put the artichokes in.
So we're just doing half a can,
Okay,
but these have been drained and rinsed.
okay, yes.
And
Drained
they're
rinsed.
quarter. You can do whatever because you're going to go ahead and chop them up because you don't want to get a huge piece of avocado in your mouth.
Or artichoke.
Or
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
thing, whatever I'm chopping, artichokes.
Yeah. Okay, very good, Verge. Okay, and then the last one thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some Parmesan. And I hope you can see already what this is looking like.
So it needs to be really flaked Parmesan is better. Where I shopped, they didn't have any. This is grated. It's great if you can do your own. I have a piece of Parmesan in the refrigerator. I tried grating. It is so hard. I don't have the strength to do it. So obviously it needs to be heated or something. So I don't know. But now, if this is a lot juicier, like you used more olive oil and more tarragon than I did, the Parmesan will thicken it up. So sometimes I just go, oh, that's not juicy enough. So then I'll add another tablespoon or teaspoon of olive oil and a third of a teaspoon of tarragon oil.
Okay, okay. I think that's it.
That's it.
And then you put it on your romaine, you toss it. I was showing you that cooking show several times ago about how to keep your romaine really crisp by the paper towels. So go back, look over the paper towel romaine cooking show, and then add that, and it's going to be a wow.
Yeah, I had a head of romaine, and we went on a vacation overseas. 15 days later, I came back, and I unrolled it, and it was still crisp. Of course, the refrigerator had not been open, but it was still excellent. So
Yeah, it makes a really big difference how you treat your romaine. So remember how you treat your romaine. Okay, we got a little something to say.
okay.
Stop in the name of love before you break my heart.
Think it
Over, think it over. So don't use the bottle dressing. Toss it out. Stop in the name of love and use homemade tarragon, avocado, artichoke salad dressing. Okay, thanks you guys. And remember, taste and see, the Lord is good.